it is, my Union Vision for 2024. My heart goes out to a situation in which the Divine Masculine and the Divine Feminine are on equal level and in their own power and world, while at the same time being fully connected by the peaceful in-between land of sacred silence, friendship, and rest, where the tree of union roots and grows. I love his freedom of thought, in which he decides for himself what is best in the quest for how to balance justice with freedom. He thinks about how to make his dream come true and realizes his true identity has everything to do with that. He embraces the luxury of the deeper freedom that is granted him. Meanwhile, she gathers all her powers and combines them into one, knowing she is the inner child, the sexy grown-up, and the mysterious priestess all at the same time. She feels her cycles being in tune with divine nature to have her leadership be born with a freshness and playfulness that celebrates her inner beauty. Together they hold the torch of divine light to enlighten the path into 2024 and beyond, eternally, like a flower that continually blooms throughout the seasons of grief, change, and sacred marriage vows. Floating around them are the elements of nature and the city, both as an extension of their deeper feeling ground.